In today's video, I'll show you how to create a web form in DocuSign Esignature, a quick and easy way to streamline your agreements. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to docusign.com. On the homepage, click the login button in the top right and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, simply sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Templates section on the left-hand menu. This is where you can create reusable setups for your documents. Click Create Template and start building your web form. Upload the document you want to use, give it a name, and then add the fields you need, like signature, initials, date, or text boxes. You can drag and drop these fields into the exact spots you want. When your template looks right, save it. You now have a reusable web form that you can send out anytime with just a few clicks, perfect for NDAs, contracts, or any document that needs frequent signing. And that's it. You've just created a web form in DocuSign. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.